Hello, in this video we're going to do some practice questions to find out network address, broadcast address, first host and last host from a given IP address. Let's get started. So we're going to find out for one of the IP address, let's say 126 dot 232 dot 153 dot 94 slash, let's say, 14-bit mask. So when we say 14-bit mask, we need to write it down in the other way so we can see it. 8 plus 6 plus 0 plus 0, right? So we are actually we are working on this second octet. So what is the block size here? Block size is 6th place here is 4. The block size is 4. Even you can see that 256 minus 252 is 4. Block size is 4. So now what we're going to do is we're going to divide this number 232 by 4. 5 times 4, 20, and remaining 3 and 32. 8 times 4, 32. So the block, so it would be like 232, and then block size 4. Then the other one would be 236. So the network address would be 126 dot, that is the network address, so 232 dot 0 dot 0 with 14-bit mask, and the broadcast address is would be 126. What's the second one? 236. So one before that, 235 dot 255 dot 255 with 14-bit mask. What is the first host here? First host would be 126 dot 232 dot 0 dot 1 with 14-bit mask, and the last host would be 126, the one before broadcast address, 235 dot 255 dot 254 with 14-bit mask. So let's do another one. Let's say 164 dot 96 dot 61 dot 44 with 19-bit mask. So when we say 19-bit mask, how can we write this? 8 plus 8, 16 plus 3 plus 0. So now we are working on this third octet. 1, 2, 3, third octet here. And what is the value on that third here? The block size 32. So block size is 32-bit. I mean 32. So how can we write this? 0, 32, 64, 61. So this lies in between this here, 61. So what is the network address here. Network address is 164.96.32.0 with 19-bit mask, and the broadcast address is 164.96. What's the next one? 64. One before that. So 63.255 with 19-bit mask. So what's the first host here? First host is 1 plus 1 of network address. So 164.96.32.1 with 19-bit mask. What is the last host here? Last host is one before the broadcast. So 164.96.63.254 with 19-bit mask here. So let's do one more questions here. Let's say with 217.199.83.246, let's say with 29-bit mask. So when we say 29-bit mask, how do we write this? 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 24 plus 5 here. So we are working on the last octet, this one here, the last octet here, 246. So what is the block size here for this one? Block size here, fifth one, 8. Block size is 8. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna divide this number by 8. 246, we're gonna divide it by 8. So 3 times 8, 24. So let's say 30, so it would be 240, remainder of 6. So 30 times 8, 240 here, and the next one would be 248. So this number 246 lies between 240 and 248. So what is the network address here? Um, 217.199.83.240 with 29-bit mask. That's a network address, and the broadcast address is 217.199.83.248, and one before that 247 with a 29-bit mask here, and then first host is the one after a network address, 217.199.83.241 with 29-bit mask, and the last host is the one before broadcast address, so which is 217.199.83.246. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and I will see you again on the next one. Thank you.